Hey, this is Andy from PetraTools, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble your PetraTools 4-tier fountain. So I've already taken it out of the box. Let's talk about the pieces that you're going to need to get your fountain going in less than 5 minutes. So it's pretty simple. You're going to have a pump. It's going to look like this with a long power cord attached to it. This is what you are going to submerge in the bottom of the fountain, and I'm going to show you where that goes here in a second in the back of the tank. You're also going to have the male power outlet. This is what you're going to plug into the wall or into an extension cord if you have an extension cord. Pretty simple to do. You're going to take the long part of the power cord that comes from the pump and you're going to plug it right in, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the 4-tier fountain. You can get a sense of the size. I'm about 6'2". This is a normal table height table, so you can get an idea of how it's going to look on your patio or in your house, wherever you're going to place this awesome fountain. So in order to get it going, very simple, I'm going to spin it around. This is where the water is going to go, and this is also where you're going to hook up the power that is going to go to the pump. So on the pump, it has 3 female outlets that look just like this. You are going to reach in to the back of your fountain, and you are going to pull out 3 male power cords that are going to go into the pump, as well as the clear hose that goes into the pump. So pretty simple to do. You're going to take the pump and the 3 female outlets. It's 2 prongs. You're going to stick those together, and then you screw this on to make sure that connection is tight. You're going to do the same thing with the next one. You're going to put the 2 male prongs and the female screwed on so it's tight, and then you're going to do the same thing with the 3rd one. Screw that on and make sure it's tight. Okay, now we're ready to go with that. The last thing that you have to do is on the pump, you have to put the clear hose on the pump on this piece right here. Again, pretty simple. Got to try to make that end a little larger. You just get it going, and it's going to slip on relatively easily. All right, so now you have the connections, and you're ready to stuff this all back in to the bottom of the fountain. Now, it's super important. You never want to run your fountain. You never want to plug it in unless you have water inside the tank. So what you're going to want to do now is you are ready to put water in. So I would take a gallon of water. I'm going to pour it in the back of the fountain. You're going to take this part right here, put it back on, and now you're ready to go. The last thing you have to do is you have to plug in the power cord to the male outlet, and you're going to do that the same way. It's 2 prongs, you plug it in, and then you tighten it down, and now you're ready to plug this into the wall. So you are ready to go. You're ready to plug it in. This is the PetraTools 4-tier fountain. Again, if you have any questions at all, the customer service at Petra is amazing. They'll help answer any questions or help you troubleshoot any issues that you might possibly have with your fountain. But that's the assembly process again for the PetraTools 4-tier fountain.